Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're making steamed fish, well, spicy steamed fish. So before we get started, I'm going to pre-boil my potato and my pumpkin. So I already cooked them up, and then I have some water and I put some salt in there. So I'm going to pre-boil. I had my stove hot, you can hear it. So I'm going to pre-boil my potato and my pumpkin. Okay guys, so I'm just making the slit in the fish so I can season. It's already washed. I'm going to season, and you season to your taste, really. Okay, guys, so this is my finished product, my seasoned fish. And a quick little side note, one of the fish tried to escape out of my hands. I don't know where he thought he was going, but I brought him back. He this one right here. But yeah, we're gonna cook them down now. Sorry, buddy. I know I said I'm steaming them, but I'm frying it a little bit first. I wasn't frying it, I just wanted the seasoning to kind of soak in a little bit. So now I'm going to add some water. I don't want too much water. I just want it to have a nice little sauce. Okay guys, don't mind the frying in the back. I'm frying an extra fish. So I'm going to add my carrots. Yeah, so now we're going to add some butter. Not a lot, just a little bit. I'm going to have a little bit of coconut milk. Okay, so now we're going to add our pre-boiled potato and pumpkin. Noodles, cock soup, Jamaican cock soup, pumpkin. Babe, like the pumpkin one. And it adds a little flavor too, so. Final addition, last thing, we have some sweet pepper. And here we have some ginger and some hot pepper. Now, if you remember, like a few seconds ago, you heard some frying in the background. This was what was going on. And there goes the steamed fish. Spicy. Okay, guys, so final, I'm just gonna add some scallion on top. So this is how we make our steamed fish. So a little bit more. And then bam. You got a nice little lemon there. So finished product. This is our steamed fish. Okay,